What's up, guys? Chronica 420 here with an update video. I'm just doing a video on some grow tent fan maintenance. This is for the tent pole like oscillating fans. There's only two companies that actually make these that are legit. That's vivosun, and the other one is Secret Jardin. There is a knockoff of the vivosun. I made a video way back about this. You can check out in my videos. But other than that, that's not what we're talking about today. Today we're going to talk about maintaining these fans so you can make them run for a lifetime. Well, I haven't really had it for a lifetime. Mine have been running for over 6 months, one of them. So I know that it's good and this method works because I've been hearing a lot of people getting these fans and them dying on them within like 3 weeks and seizing up every time. And every time I hear they seize up, I'm like, I know what the problem is exactly. Sometimes the fans come. This is the problem. Sometimes these fans come, the oil, there's not enough oil and grease in them. And sometimes you got to realize when you put these in your tent, you're running them non-stop 24/7. So that's the most stress you can put on a fan and on a motor is 24/7 use. Not to mention there's a lot of heat. Sometimes there can be a lot of humidity and there's a lot of dirt if you have soil blowing around. And this is getting into the gears. This is getting into everything. This is helping penetrate into the oil and wear up that oil, and the heat is burning up the oil. It's getting the engines hot. So you're gonna want to maintain this fan. I just opened up. This one's an unmaintained fan. This is 2 weeks, and as you can see that right there, even that 2 weeks gunk is, you know, enough to cause a little issues. You can see it's on the shaft and everything, and it'll get inside the oil and everything. So what you want to do is you want to get inside there. There's a couple places that you want to oil. You want to get your oils, your penetrating oil here. Usually you want to get into these couple areas here. So one, you want to get the shaft here. Two, you want to get here. There's an arm here. That is for the oscillating. Also, there's another part here for the oscillating. There's two parts basically side by side. But you want to get those 1, 2. So you want to oil those. Basically oil all those, and yeah, work in the shaft with the oil. And if it's seized, that should start it right back up and go in again. Other than that, the only other problem I heard of is the fan's not oscillating. That there's another fix for that. I had that happen with one of my other fans, and that was because the oil burned up inside. So if it's not oscillating, you're going to want to open it up. You want to get these 3 screws open, and you want to check inside and make sure it's not all gunked up, you know, like the oil's not seized up or whatever. And if it is, you're gonna have to do the tedious task of cleaning it out, which is hell. But you can save it. Usually that doesn't happen with these. The only time that happens is if they came badly oiled, like they didn't get oiled properly from the company inside the gears. But if they were oiled inside the gears properly from the company, then that problem should never happen. Well, other than that, just keep them maintained. This one here, over here, is one I just did. As you can see, she's nice and oiled up, nice and clean. That's how she should look inside. All the gears are nice and ready to go. All the arms, and yeah, basically that's it. vivosun's fans. All of my fans are still running. None of them have broken down. I think the oldest one is a year, and then yeah, the rest are about 6 months. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll do some updates soon. As you guys know, I did get a problem with powdery mildew, so I am dealing with that problem. I am going to put up a video of how I dealt with this problem. But other than that, guys, take it easy. Chronica 420. I'm out.